happened? And
Children should have a meaningful relationship with both parents. Changing legislation contradicts the government's own family justice review.
Reese, can you keep the water in the sink?
Promote a child's right to a
No, yuck. Yuck.
that was in the best interests of the
Yuck.
The review also said experience of other countries showed it was very difficult to legislate for shared parenting. Today marks the 60th anniversary of the Queen's accession to the throne. In a message to mark the Diamond Jubilee, she has promised, in her words, to dedicate herself anew.
What are you doing, Reese?
Her close friend, Lady Penn, told the BBC that the Queen had been the small voice of calm in the social revolution in Britain over the past 60 years. The England football coach, Fabio Capello, has told Italian television that he thinks the FA was wrong.
You're a busy boy.
Terry of the captaincy. Terry, who denies racially abusing the
Reese, are you wet?
Ferdinand, will go on trial in July after the 2012.
The doggy's outside. Don't drink that. Yuck. Reese, are you wet?
Wet.